it has become. So now again, now I value is increased to 3. So 3 is less than 10, condition is true, it will enter here. Now ST character at I, so character in the 3 position, it is space. So it will come to this part, the condition is true, CHR is space, so it will come to this part. So here it will create ST2. So ST2 is equal to ST2 plus space plus ST1. So already space, it is space is there, no problem. So we will write ST1 give. So ST1 is my WEN. So now what is happening, ST1 is equal to space. So now the previous ST1, it is totally got cancelled, and it is ST1 is again ready with a space. Now it will come here, now I is 4. So 4 it will come, I is 4. So 4 is less than 10, condition true. So it will come to this part, character at I. So I is 4. So in the 4th position, it is D. So it is D now. So D, since D is not a space, it will come to this part. So you see we have cleaned it. So here now what will be, ST1 will be D. So here now I is 5. So 5. So 5 is less than 10, condition is true. So it will come to this part, character at I. So I is 5. So in the 5th part, it is E. So E. So E is not a space, it will come here, character plus ST1. So ED will be written in will be stored in ST1. Now I is 6. So 6 is less than 10, condition is true. So it will come to this part, character at 6 position, it is L. So now it is L. L. So L is not a space, so it will come to this part. So here L, then E, then D. So now I is 7. So 7 is less than 10, condition is true. So character at I. So 7th position, it is H. So it is now H. So H is not a space, so it will come to this part. So it will become H, L, E, D. Now again it will come here. Now I is 8. So I is now 8. So 8 is less than 10, condition true. So it will come to this character at 8th position. So in my 8th position, what is there? I. So I. So I is not a space, so it will come to this part. So characters, so it will be I, H, L, E, D. Now here it will come, now I is 9. 9. 9 is less than 10. I is 9 mine. So 9 is less than 10, condition true. So again it will come to this part, character at I. See, I, we have taken space, so I is space. Sorry, 9. So character at I, the 9th position, it is space. So we have taken space. So it will come to this part, see, character equal to space. Yes, condition true. It will come here. So ST2 is equal to ST2. So here ST2 is there. Then a space. Then ST1. So ST1, it is I, H, E, D. You can see it has got reverse. Then it will come to this part. It will not go to the else part. It will come to this part. Now I is 10. So 10 is not less than 10. So condition is false. So it will come out of this for loop, and it will come to this output and ST2, and it is going to display New Delhi in this manner. Thank you, class.